Hello, my lovely girls. How are you? I hope you're all doing fine. I'm teacher Arwa. This class is for the 8th grade. Today is Tuesday and the date is 27th of October 2020. Okay. Last time we have talked about this. We have talked about this article and we have read these questions. Today I am going to answer them, okay? Please listen carefully to the answers and please write them on your notebook and send the answers to me, okay? Write them on your notebook. Let's read question number 1. Why is it hard to be a member of the Nyangatom tribe? Explain your answer by giving examples. Okay, so we have talked about their life, right? We have talked about their food, their water, the lack of food, the lack of water, and their medicine, their hospitals. We have said that their life is hard, their life is tough, حياتهم صعبة. Okay, so here the question is asking you, why is it hard to be a member of them? ليش صعب العيش معهم أو إنك تكون جزء منهم? Okay, the answer is, life is hard to be a member of the Nyangatum tribe. Okay, because they don't have enough water and food. Their land is dry and they don't have hospitals. They only use herbs for medicine. So these are points or examples or reasons to mention that life with them would be so hard and difficult. Okay, they don't have enough water and food. They don't have hospitals. They don't have enough medicine. They only use herbs for medicine. بس بيستخدموا الأعشاب والنباتات الطبية. Okay, question number 2. Imagine you have the chance to help the Nyangatum tribe. What will you do? If I had the chance to help them, what would I send? Okay, if I had the chance to help them, I would send them a professional doctors, أطباء ماهرون, and medicine. Also, I would send them money to help them in building hospitals, and I can send them food too. Okay, so I can send them professional doctors, I can send them food, I can send them money to build hospitals for them. Okay, these are many ways to help them. Number 3. Do you think the life of an explorer is easy or difficult? Justify your opinion. Okay. شوفوا, if I love what I am doing, love visiting in new places, learning new languages, and knowing new cultures, life will be easy and exciting. So the question is asking us, if you are an explorer, okay, explorer, life would be difficult or easy for you? And my answer is, if I love traveling, if I love visiting in new places, if I love learning new languages and knowing new cultures, life will be easy and exciting for me because I love what I am doing. But if I don't like traveling, it would be hard to me, okay, to be an explorer. Okay, this is the answer of question number 3. Question number 4 is for you. Okay, now let's move to page number 13. In unit 1, we have talked about present continuous. And when do we use a present continuous? Present continuous. Continuous means مستمر. When do we use a present continuous, يا لانا? We use present continuous when we want to talk about activities that are happening at the moment of speaking. يعني I use present continuous when I talk about things that I am doing right now, okay? Activities that I am doing right now while speaking. يعني أشياء أنا بعملها أثناء الحديث هلا right now. Okay. we have keywords of the present continuous. What are the keywords؟ عندنا now today اليوم at the moment في هذه اللحظة أو at this moment the same تقريبا. Listen and look. I am talking to you right now. بحكي لك listen, look at me. Okay, I am ordering you to do something. بطلب منك تعمل شيء in this moment. So لما بحكي listen, look, imperative verbs أفعال الأمر شو بيكون عندنا هون؟ present continuous. And we have next day, next week. مثلا I am going to theater next week. I am going to a party next day. Okay, so لما يكون عندنا next week, next day, next month, we use also present continuous. Okay, these are the keywords كلمات المفتاحية. طيب هلا what is the form of the present continuous? What is the form؟ يعني إيش هو الشكل ال present continuous? What is the form? The form is, as always, we start any sentence نبدأ أي جملة by what? By the subject. The subject plus verb to be. Verb to be اللي هو is, are, am plus verb ing. The most important thing in the present continuous أهم شيء إنه الverb شو معه؟ ing. So subject is, are, am plus verb ing plus object. Okay. Verb to be is singular with the singular with she, he, it, singular. Are with plural they, you, we, are. And am with I. Okay, for example, I am going to the park today. Today is the key word of the present continuous. Today اليوم. We are playing games right now. And now here the key word. Okay. How to make a question in present continuous. How to make a questions. Okay, حكينا the form of the present continuous subject, verb to be, verb ing. When we want to make a question لما بدنا نعمل سؤال شو بنحط؟ we put at the first verb to be then the subject. يعني نعكس هذا verb to be, subject, verb ing. For example, I am going to the park today. How to make a question from this sentence? I am going. نحكي no, not this sentence. We are playing games right now. How to make a question? Are we playing games right now? Are نجيب helping verb. Are we playing games right now? نحط question mark. For example, are you playing football at this moment? At this moment is the key word of the present continuous, and we have a question mark here. We start the question by verb to be are, then the subject you, then verb with ing, verb بينزل with ing. Okay, are you playing football at this moment? We put question mark. Okay. حكينا how to make a question. بنجيب الverb to be بعدين the subject then the verb with ing. هلا how to negative the sentence in present continuous. مثلا I am going to the park today. How to negative it? We put or we add not to the verb to be اللي هو am will are. We add not to it. I am not going to the park today. We are not playing games right now. So only we negative the sentence in present continuous by adding not to the helping verb or to the verb to be. Okay, so here I am شو بتصير؟ I am not. She is not. They are not. I am not. She isn't going. هاي اختصارها ممكن يصير. They aren't having a class at the moment. She isn't going to the party today. I am not studying English now. Okay, so how to negative the present continuous? By adding not to the verb to be, to the helping verb. Is are. Okay? Okay. We have finished talking about present continuous and we know about it since before. Okay. Now let's answer exercise number 1. Let's answer exercise number 1. Exercise number 1. The present simple and the present continuous. Complete the interview with the words from the box. We have many words here about the present continuous, okay? We have the verb to be is, we have the verb eating with ing, we have the verb to be am, we have the verb with ing cooking, and we have making, we have are. Eating نتناول الطعام, cooking نطبخ, making نصنع أو نعد I'm sorry. Okay. We have TV reporter الصحفي أو المقدم الإذاعي يعني. We have the gray ranking. Okay, gray ranking. Okay. The TV reporter is asking gray ranking why. طيب عنا we want to make a question. عنا WH question. Then we have to put the helping verb to be. Right, verb to be. طيب here we have you. اليو ايش بتاخد اليو is or are or am. Yes, excellent يا لجين. You takes are. So why are you the verb the subject. Why are you traveling around Asia? Why are verb to be. You subject traveling verb with ing around Asia. Okay, gray ranking because I am. عنا ال I subject, عنا ال am verb to be. بعدين شو بيجي بعدها؟ الverb ing. I am a documentary about the local food. documentary يعني وثائقي about the local food. local food الطعام المحلي. local adjective. شو هو بيعمل إشي. So I am making a documentary about the local food. Okay. Number 3. TV reporter. What is the chef فراغ for you. What is عنا is verb to be. WH question verb to be subject بعدين بدنا الverb with ing. What is the chef is subject. What is the chef cooking for you. يعني ايش عم بيطبخ لك. What is the chef cooking for you. grading كان he. طيب عنا he وعنا فراغ بعدين making he بعدين making verb ing. So we have to put here verb to be. He takes what is or are or am. He is. Excellent. He is making a traditional rice meal. The film crew and we are what? We are eating. Excellent. Are eating great things during our trip. The TV reporter. After we have to put here verb to be. I takes which verb to be. Am or are or is. I am. Excellent. I am looking forward to watching the TV series. Okay? Series. Okay? So the first one is are. The second one is making. The third one is cooking. The fourth one is. The fifth one is eating. And the last one is am. Okay? We have finished exercise number 1. Let's move now to exercise number 2. Let's move to exercise number 2. Read the sentences below, then put a tick next to the correct sentences and correct the ones that have wrong verbs forms. We have to correct the mistakes if we find them. Okay, we have to correct the mistakes in these sentences. The first one is answered. محلولة. شوفوا كيف. Maryam usually is walking to school, but today she is taking the bus. أول شيء we have to do it. The first thing that you have to do is to find the keyword. لازم تلاقي أو تحصل على keyword الكلمة المفتاحية. Okay. Here, what do we have a keyword? We have usually. Usually keyword for present simple. Present simple. Simple present. Simple present. Okay, so simple present عنا we add s to the verb or we don't add s to the verb. طيب ما بصير نحكي is walking. No, مريم usually. طيب مريم is singular, so we have to add s to the verb. مريم usually walks. Okay, مريم usually walks, we remove is walking. مريم usually walks to school, but today عنا keyword of the present continuous, so لازم يكون عنا is plus verb ing. But today she takes is. She is taking the bus. She's taking the bus. Okay, let's move to number 2. Do you learn a lot about different cultures? When you explore the world, do you learn a lot about different cultures? When you explore the world. We don't have any mistake here. Okay? Let's move to number 3. He always is writing down what he experiences when he is abroad. Okay, he always. عنا always keyword لإيش؟ keyword للsimple present للمضارع البسيط. In simple present we add s to the verb if the subject is singular. We don't add s to the verb if the subject is plural. So here he always, he عنا subject إيش؟ singular. He always شو راح تصير is writing؟ راح نمحيها. شو راح نحط؟ هو كانت المية سارة أنت لا. He always writes. Excellent. إنه always keyword for the simple present. He always writes. He always writes down what he experiences when he is abroad. Okay. Number 4. William Savage visits Ethiopia next week to make a documentary about the local people. حكينا next. لما ناخذ كلمة next is a keyword of the present continuous. Present continuous. وهون always simple present. Okay, simple present. So هون عنا present continuous. The present continuous مستمر, يعني بدنا نحط is or are or am plus verb ing. So William Savage بدنا نمحي الvisit. شو نحط بدالها؟ is visiting. William Savage is visiting Ethiopia next week to make a documentary about the local people. Is visiting. William Savage is visiting. Okay. Number 5. People make documentaries on many topics. It's like a fact. Okay. An ordinary information, يعني معلومة عادية. In these types of informations we use simple present. بنستخدم المضارع البسيط في المعلومات العامة. Here is people make documentaries on many topics. So here we don't have any mistake. People plural noun جمع. Make ما حطينا makes لأنها plural noun. People make documentaries on many topics. Okay? Okay. Number 6. A TV reporter interviews Gray Rankin at the moment. And now we have at the moment. Who can tell me at the moment? A keyword of the present continuous. Excellent. Of the present continuous. So a TV reporter not interviews. لو interviews عندنا simple present. لا. Present continuous يعني بدنا نحط is, are, am plus verb ing. A TV reporter singular واحد. شو بدنا نحط له يا لجين ولين؟ A TV reporter is interviewing. Excellent. A TV reporter is interviewing Gray Rankin at this moment في هذه اللحظة. Okay? We have finished exercise number 1, exercise number 2. We have talked about simple present and the present continuous. We use simple present المضارع البسيط to talk about habits, routine and facts. What is the form of the simple present? The form of the simple present عندنا subject plus plus verb with us or without us plus object. أما ال present continuous subject plus verb to be is or am plus verb ing. Okay. next time you have exercise number 4 as a homework. Exercise number 4 as a homework. Find these sentences in the text. Then say which sentence, A or B, has the same meaning. Okay? Okay? Exercise number 4 is a homework. Please send it to me. Okay? I hope you enjoyed the class and understood everything. Goodbye, my lovely girls.